If I can go back to the 20-year-old me, I'll tell him to take exactly what I'm about to show you very seriously. Because a lot of you are taking your free time from your job, sitting on the couch, watching TV, hanging out, spending money on things that you don't really need when you can be building a compounding income stream from your couch. Would you rather make $1 clocking in, exchanging, exerting energy, or would you like making it from a 60-second video like the ones I have already did today? So let me check these off. And right now we're making a YouTube video. I want you to calculate how many hours are you off of work, sitting at home watching TV, doing something recreational, and I want you to tally up every day you're off, every day you have this free time, and calculate how many hours, whether it's 5, whether it's 8, that you have free. Now I want you to calculate how many hours are you spending on social media, YouTube, TikTok, just being a consumer. You don't have to worry about making your first 10K online. You just have to worry about making sure every free hour you have is doing math for you, putting more into your bank account. I'll leave this exercise in the comments below. I want you to put how much you're making every single month, how many hours you work, how many hours you spend on things like family, after work, sleep, and what's the income goal that you have in mind that you would like to make in these extra free time. So let's say an extra 1,200 bucks to be safe. Let's run the math. So if we read right here, it says you earn about $37 an hour at your current job. To hit your target, you need to earn an extra $5 per hour to make that extra money that you said you wanted to make. Your spare hours are currently 0 because you don't get paid when you're not working. Even a modest online income gives you value to your life, right? And you can read from here and then go down here and take a look on how exactly that I do what I do. Now, the framework on how we're going to make money on the internet is very easy. You have people out there, hundreds of thousands of people a day, searching for ways to make money on the internet. Now, right now, you're probably consuming this content right now, but you can be the person that directs these people to your offer. And this is all I'm doing all day. I literally have a website that I look on for my content ideas that I curated. So I just get on there and look at the topic like this one, and I go make the video on it. You get them to your offer and you let them make the decision if this offer is for them, and then you're paid from it. See, I don't go and ask, hey, do you want to make money? Yes or no? I put the content in front of the traffic that's already looking for it, and they decide on their own. It's the same thing with a restaurant. It's the same thing with a grocery store. But the difference is it doesn't require you to have a lot of money out of pocket. It doesn't require you to go through all those things in a traditional business. You do this from home. And why this is a low risk for you is because you can only go upwards in this business. The only way you go downward is if you quit. Simple as that. If you quit, that's the only way you make $0. You're not looking to get rich quick. You're looking for something that can slowly compound on what you have. Now, for example, if we take a product that's 128 bucks a month, how much money would I like to make recurring for me to say, hey, I can do this full time and then focus on the things I want to do? But the thing I want you to take away from this video, this is all done virtually. I don't call people, I don't DM people unless they want me to. I post content and it finds the right person. And I would say my second thing that I do is I learn. Learning skills in here, learning sales psychology on the side, you know, while learning and earning, it just makes this thing so much better because now you have things to talk about, you have real skills to show people, and it makes this a whole lot easier. But if you want this calculator that I just showed you and ran you through, look in the comment section, and from there you're going to be able to get more information on the conveyor belt, my business that I'm using to make money on YouTube and other social media platforms.